Hi everyone, welcome back to the Guide Up YouTube channel. Today for this video of Guide Up, I will be showing you how to change Spotify playlist picture. So to begin the process, open the Spotify application. You need to get logged in into the account. Once you have been logged in, you need to tap on the library icon from the bottom option. Tap that, and there you need to tap open the playlist that you want to change this playlist picture. You tap upon that. So this is the playlist where I want to change the playlist picture. For that, tap on the three dotted lines, tap on it. From this option, you need to tap on edit playlist. With this, you will be able to change image over here. Tap on change image just below the image picture. Tap that. You have two options to change the image. You can either take a photo right now and upload it as a playlist picture, or you can choose from the photos in your gallery. Tap upon choose photo. It will direct you to the photos that is in your phone gallery. From there, you choose the picture, then tap on use photo. You can see the changes in the picture has been made. Now you need to save these changes. Tap on save on the top right corner. Tap that. The changes will be updated. So this is how you can change Spotify playlist picture. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Guide Up YouTube channel. Thank you.